Three simple rules for a happy life. Number one, never compare with anyone else. See, why would I want to live somebody else's life? Isn't the best will be that if I can make myself the best version of me? Number two, always remember worries never help. Worries about the future, concerns about the future never help. Only thing the worries does is it takes away your today's peace of mind. So if you have any concern about the future, the best is to take some action. And that is the only way to get rid of those concerns in your mind. And number three, never allow any impurities such as anger or hatred or jealousy to crop up in our mind. Because all the impurities, before harming anybody else, first they harm us. And not only that, all these impurities of anger, hatred, jealousy, they drain our energy.